Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how to create your own YouTube channel. So first open up the browser and search YouTube. Go to youtube.com. Wait for it to be open and then click on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Click on this and click on create a channel option under your email. Click on create a channel and then select your channel's name and your channel's handle and select your channel's picture and click on create channel. Wait for it. Now it will show you your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. So in a few moments, your channel will be automatically created and you can upload content to it and whatever you want. So that's it. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.